I like eating dog food.
Dog food.
Is it okay for me to eat it?
एक इंसान खा रहा है?
Because these days dogs are eating better than human beings.
Yeah, I think it's fine because I've heard that it's tasty.
Yes, I've tried
Pedigree?
Yeah, pedigree and as fish feed as well.
How do I convince my girlfriend for a kiss? Because she says that it's not the right time.
पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है भाई, कर ही दिया कर सीधा.
Why she is not interested in kissing?
मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तो रेडी है.
You should just grab her and kiss her.
Just go for it.
In a relationship, how can a person be sure that this is love or lust or an infatuation?
I think if you feel it for several people, it's lust. If you feel it for one person, it's love.
If the guy comes and kisses your forehead, it's your love. If we start, digging deep, then it's lust.
If I miss the sex a lot, then it's lust. If I miss the conversations, it's love. I think so.
जिन लड़कों को लगता है ना कि मैं उसका रिचार्ज करा रहा हूँ, मेरे से बात कर रही है, बेटा वो लस्ट है.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Quick Reaction Team, and I'm your host Pranoy. This week we took some of your funniest comments to the streets once again. Also guys, if you wish to meet the QRT team, there's a meet and greet form which is given in the description box down below. Just fill it up and get a chance to meet us. So guys, without wasting any time, let us just sit back, relax and watch this video till the end. First person, he's saying, I like to eat dog food. Is it okay for me to eat them?
What's the food?
Dog food.
No, not at all.
Depends on him. He can eat anything he wants to.
खाना चाहता तो खाए. Not my problem.
Dog food is for dogs only. Let them enjoy.
Are you like they are eating away the dog food also now? What's left for the dog to eat now?
I think he's a brother of the dog only.
Yeah, dog eat biscuits. Dog eats flesh.
Cool to eat.
Yeah.
Why don't you guys suggest him something good? Like what should this guy do?
इसको मैं यही बोलना चाहूँगा भाई, अपना खाना खाया अगर अपने कुत्ते का मत खा. मेरे पास लैबर है, मैं उसका खाना नहीं खाता.
He should see a doctor.
Yeah, and start eating normal food.
He should probably try regular biscuits. I think he likes those better.
नींद पूरी कर ले.
क्यों नींद क्यों पूरी कर ले?
दिमाग में कुछ लोचा हो गया उसके.
भाई को गैस हो गई, दिक्कत और कुछ नहीं है.
Leave the dog food for the dogs.
How do I convince my girlfriend for a kiss? Because she's saying that this is not the right time.
He will tell you the perfect answer. He's the most experienced.
Most experienced? Oh.
No, he is.
Just give her flowers or do some pampered things and impress her and she will give you a kiss.
उसे इम्प्रेस करना चाहिए, कुछ अच्छा करना चाहिए उसके लिए जिससे वो रेडी हो जाए.
Use wild stone.
Use wild stone.
She'll get attracted towards you automatically.
Just say her look right. Something.
Okay.
Do it. He should have the guts firstly.
What are the chances of getting slapped or let's say if the girl gets annoyed?
It's worth it.
It's worth it. He'll get the kiss at least.
वो तो बाद में मनाने वाले मना ही लेते हैं.
बहुत सही बोला भाई. बहुत सही बोला.
Girl might get offended.
I don't
no?
think so. No, not for a kiss, I guess.
If she's saying a no, then it's a no.
It's a no, it's a no, it's a no.
Don't force.
No. Do not even think of.
भाई ने ना दिल्ली वाली बात कर दी कि कर दा बस तू चढ़ जा इसके ऊपर.
जा बाकी हो जाएगा जो होना है.
Let's say if you were in this girl's place, you said, okay, this is not the right time, and your guy, comes up to you, okay, makes some stories, and does it. How are you going to react? Are you going to slap him?
Definitely.
So basically, it's like a trap, telling the guy to go and just do it.
Just wait for it.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll happen if it has to.
In a relationship, how can a person be sure that this is love or lust or an infatuation?
If you like a girl in one meeting, it's definitely lust.
यार प्यार होता ना तो रहा नहीं जाता.
How would you be sure that if the relationship you're in, is it love or lust?
I think when it's love, you know. Yeah.
I think it's a simple thing. You can just make out simply by the gestures of that person.
Like?
Yeah, I think the way he's touching you, the way he's looking at you. Like, somebody asks you within a relationship of 2 or 3 months and ask you for something to do.
So basically the time period.
Yeah, the time period, I guess.
अपने आप ना पता चल जाता है जैसे.
कैसे अपने आप कैसे पता लगता है?
It's been years, like we've been together for such a long time, and I still feel the way I used to feel initially.
If you are in love, it's more about knowing the person and everything. And if he's just wants to be just physical, and so I probably think it's kind of a lust. Yeah.
If it's lust, I think it's going to, the phase is going to pass.
So what happens first, love or lust?
Okay, lust. I would say for boys.
मेरे को मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड के बारे में पता है, वो मेरे से प्यार करती है क्योंकि वो एफर्ट्स बहुत करती है.
वो हर टाइम चाहती है कि मैं उसके पास रहूँ या उससे मिलूँ, वो उसकी एडिक्शन नहीं है, उसके एफर्ट्स दिख जाते हैं।
Feelings remain same over a period of time, I guess. So.
Because if somebody wants lust and the other person is not reciprocating, that person is going to walk away.
So what do you think? That is it okay for someone to eat dog food? Take this poll by clicking here and let us know that what do you think. Besides, if you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a big fat thumbs up. To get all our fresh videos first on YouTube, click the subscribe button right here. To see all the behind the scene pictures and videos of the shoot, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram. I will see you guys every Tuesdays and every Fridays 4 PM with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, goodbye. Why do girls like Lafunder type of guys?
Why do girls like Lafunder type of guys? Lafunder, it's like, you know.
Why do girls pout so much?
They are waiting for their real man to come and kiss them.
Girls को I think बतख बहुत पसंद है तो could be like